In a bold step towards zero-emission logistics, China has unveiled a liquid hydrogen fuel system capable of powering heavy-duty trucks for over 1,000 kilometers on a single fill. Unlike compressed hydrogen, the liquid form allows far greater energy density, enabling extended range and more efficient storage. Developed by the Beijing Institute of Technology, this system is optimized for long-haul transport, one of the toughest challenges in green mobility. Hydrogen fuel cells generate electricity by combining hydrogen and oxygen, producing only water vapor as waste. What makes this innovation remarkable is its ability to maintain consistent performance in cold climates, a key hurdle for hydrogen vehicles. As part of China's national carbon neutrality strategy, the government is rapidly expanding hydrogen infrastructure across highways and logistics hubs, aiming to replace diesel fleets over the next decade. If adopted globally, this breakthrough could revolutionize freight transport, where sustainability and distance rarely coexist.